Hi guys, welcome to another video. Happy day to you all. This is a Dell Latitude 7410, which doesn't, well, switches on, but doesn't stay on for too long. So I've plugged in the Type-C charger. As you can see, it is charging, so it is receiving power. But when we switch it on, it comes on for a short while, and then goes off. Let's take the back off and see what's happening. The screws do stay in the back cover, so you don't need to have a container for them. The customer did tell me that there is a fan symbol that comes on. It gets really hot. Oh my god, look at the state of that fan. That is... I have never seen a fan that bad. That is completely destroyed, isn't it? I mean, it's... Okay, it's an absolute shit show, isn't it, really? That's a mess. Let's just disconnect this fan. I do have a spare, anyway, for these machines. So, I think, let me have a look. If I have one, I'm sure I do in my stock somewhere. Just give me a second. Alright, so I've got a fan here. Take the fan out actually. Okay, let's plug in the fan. Okay, there you go. As you can see, that's running. So we just need that fan to kick in. When that fan kicks in, we know all will be well. So yeah, I think that's the only issue. So let's see what happens. I'm going to wait a while for that fan to kick in and we'll see what goes on. Okay, so the screen's on, it's running. That fan is okay. The battery is very, very low, as you can see. There's no charge there whatsoever. That's why I didn't come on with the battery, plugged in only. So we need to just, I need to see if I can log into this machine, run maybe a YouTube video or something like that. Oh yeah, I've got to put this back in as well. And the clip for the fan, so we'll put that to one side. Let's put them over here for now. Let's see, there you go, the fan is spinning, so we're good. I don't need to, not bother logging in, to be honest. That machine's running, it's fine. I'm going to replace the thermal paste, because I imagine that if it's getting really hot, it's probably dried up.